Welcome to a new video on conducting SWOT analysis. So, what is SWOT analysis and why would you want to do one when applying for a job or evaluating your skills? SWOT analysis is about your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. But more importantly, it is about aligning your actions and goals to who you are and what you are good at, as well as covering weaknesses and threats in your life and how to transform them. As you see on the screen, this is a circle of SWOT analysis. I have made a spreadsheet where you can write and evaluate all the elements of SWOT analysis for yourself. Now I'm going to dive into a little bit of each of the elements. The first two, strengths and weaknesses, are personal to you. Opportunities and threats are external to you. Let's look at the strengths. Strengths are things that you have developed or are naturally good at. Things you have developed are skills, career, education. The natural things that you may have a talent for are having a good ear, being good at sport. Weaknesses can be anything you're not good at. They might be more difficult to see, so you can ask someone else about your weaknesses. Let's now look at external factors, opportunities and threats. Opportunities can be things like progression in your career, promotion or a new job that you can apply for, or moving to a new city that has more job offers. A threat, for example, can be economic downfall. The idea is that you match the opportunities back to your strengths. If you turn your strengths into opportunities, you might be able to develop a new career or get that promotion because you are focusing on the right thing to do to help you advance. For threats, we want to do the same. Now I want you to go back to evaluate and write your SWOT analysis and create an action list. We look at using the SWOT analysis to start setting SMART goals in order to take advantage of the opportunities and mitigate threats. Each action or goal should be SMART. SMART, again, is an acronym. SMART goals are a framework for setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives. They provide a structured approach to goal setting and increase the likelihood of successful outcomes. Let's break down each element of a SMART goal. Specific. A SMART goal should be well-defined and precise. State exactly what you want to achieve, leaving no room for ambiguity. Measurable. Goals should be quantifiable, allowing you to track your progress and determine when you've reached your desired outcome. Achievable. Set realistic goals that you can reasonably accomplish. Stretch yourself, but avoid setting unrealistic expectations. Relevant. Goals should align with your values, aspirations, and overall objectives. They should be relevant to your personal or professional growth. Time-bound. Provide a deadline or time frame for achieving your goal. This helps create a sense of urgency and keeps you focused. Putting it into practice. Now that we understand SWOT analysis and SMART goals, it's time to put them into action. First, conduct a SWOT analysis to understand your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Then, use this analysis to set SMART goals that capitalize on your strengths, address your weaknesses, take advantage of opportunities, and overcome threats. For example, if your SWOT analysis reveals strong communication skills as a strength, you could set a SMART goal to improve your public speaking abilities by enrolling in a public speaking course within the next 3 months. Remember, both SWOT analysis and SMART goals work hand in hand to provide a holistic approach to personal and professional development. Congratulations! You now have a powerful toolkit to assess your current situation, set clear objectives, and achieve your desired outcomes. Utilize SWOT analysis and SMART goals as guides in your journey towards success. Thank you for joining us today. Now it's time to go forth, dream big, and take the steps to turn those dreams into reality. Best of luck on your journey to greatness.